you all over the world. I am trying to bring you this short video this evening somewhere at Egondo, Lagos. Today is 28th of November 2018 at a place called Akeso Eba area of Lagos State. If you are coming from Egbeda, if you know Lagos very well, if you are coming from Egbeda going to Egondo on your way to Alaba International Market, you can see the flag of Biafra flying high along other international flags such as that of the Cameroon, the Ghanaian and the American flag, and that of the Zoo and that of the Togolese. This is International School of Aviation. International School of Aviation, and our flag is hoisted here. We didn't do it. This is an International School of Aviation. If you think that Biafra is a joke, I need you to understand that Biafra has gone beyond the ordinary. By the special grace of God, we are being recognized internationally. Our flag is being hoisted among other international flags, flying high and being recognized. Today, my name is Agota Chumanda. I am reporting to you live from Akeso area of Eba in Lagos State. This is International School of Aviation. Thank you.
Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamarapu Biafra, Gawe Bozo Gabi, Gamarapu Biafra, Gawe Bozo Gabi, Biafra.